Hi there, it's James from EcoSend, and I'm thrilled to introduce EcoSend Forms today. Now, if you're emailing people, you'll know how hard it is and how important it is to build an audience. And for most people, building an audience starts with capturing an email address. That is usually done with something called a form that sits on your website. Now, forms can take all sorts of shapes and sizes. I'm sure we've all used forms that are really ugly, and some can be really easy, effortless, and simple to use. Now, EcoSend Forms are beautifully easy, highly converting, and designed from the ground up to be quick to load and easy for your subscribers to fill in. But critically, everything about EcoSend is about being climate conscious when it comes to our digital marketing and our digital activities. EcoSend Forms are no different. They are designed to be incredibly lightweight so that whenever they load, they're really speedy, but also take as little energy as possible to process. But also, EcoSend Forms help replant forests as you grow your audience. So I really hope you like EcoSend Forms. Go check out the page. And also, if you're on there or want to learn more, check out our page on Product Hunt today, because lots of people are discussing forms and how you can use them, how you can use them to build your audience, and what makes EcoSend Forms so special. So thanks for watching and hope you enjoy them.